Hey, it's Rich again with Gray & Sons Jewelers. Today we're going to be looking at the Rolex Yacht Master model 16622. The Yacht Master was made to be a luxury version of sports models Rolex already had. The first Yacht Master model was introduced in 1992. This model, the Rolex, was launched in 1997. Rolex is a term patented by Rolex for the combination of stainless steel, the case and the bracelet, and platinum, the bezel and dial. The dial is a solid platinum maxi dial with luminous hour markers and hands. The Yacht Master has also come to be known for the red second hand and red Yacht Master on the dial. It has a sapphire crystal and 40mm case with a trip-lock screw-down crown and is water resistant for 100 meters or 330 feet. Since this watch is designed for pro sailors, it doesn't need as much water resistance as a diving watch. Again, a watch made for more luxury than a tool. The watch comes with a platinum graduated bidirectional rotating bezel to allow for easy measurement of time spans. The oyster bracelet is stainless steel with polished center links and oyster clasp. The movement is an automatic caliber 3135 with 31 jewels.
Here at Gray & Sons, we underpromise, and we always overdeliver. We don't just say it, we do it.